We're going for a bit of a drive to the airport. He's happy, and I've got my camera with me, so a few things to do while we're waiting. He's just getting a bit of fresh air. He's been stuck inside all day. A few swims and down to the beach, but he hasn't really been out of the house that much, so yeah.
Morning, so I'm out of bed early. It's pouring outside and those thunderstorms have been happening all night. Kelly's upstairs running around and yeah, I'm packed. Heading to Melbourne, probably only for a night or two depending on what happens with work. I've got a roster but not really too sure how firm that is at the moment. Really wanting to get over to the United States, and if I can, I will, but if not, well, you know, that happens. Anyway, a bit of dash. Everything has to get into the car, so see you at the airport. As you can see, this scaredy cat does not like lightning at all. Well, thunder. You okay? Yeah, he's not okay.
So I've got an on Virgin, exit row, aisle seat, which means not much video, but still I'm getting to Melbourne and Virgin, which I haven't been on for a while, so a bit of fun. Morning again, back in Melbourne now. Had a great flight down on a Virgin Australia 737. Good thing about the staff travel is I do normally get put into the exit rows, so nice amount of leg room. Only downside was a fair bit of traffic holding coming into Melbourne. Fairly busy skies today. Once I got in, bags were straight out, and then a huge queue for the Sky bus, and then a really, really long, slow journey. The taxis are on strike here in Melbourne, which doesn't make the roads fun. They're trying to go as slow as possible, trying to congest everything, all because of Uber. Well, I'm still going to use Uber. Anyway, just heading home now. The winds are picking up from the north, top of 30 odd today. So hopefully the sea breeze kicks in a little bit later and I'll be able to get out on the kite because it's been a while. So follow me for the day. Just got home, more or less passed out on the couch. Washing's going, but I need to go to the supermarket, so time to get the car running because it hasn't been used in 2-3 weeks now. Nearly forgot. Reusable shopping bag, so back upstairs. Okay, so made it into the car, heading down Lennox now, straight up to the Woolworths at, well, Victoria Parade, Victoria Street, and then, yeah, grabbing a few things. Has to be disposable though this time. Main reason for that is my roster has me on a heap of days off this month, but a heap of TBA, and January and February were also TBA, later changed to days off. So look, fingers crossed they become off again, because Jackson Hole, the snow there's looking pretty good at the moment, same as Huckleberry in Japan, so I could go back to either, but yeah, it'll just depend on what works and if I actually get days off, because if I don't, that means I'm starting flying soon. So, you know, either way, it would be good. probably tell, I didn't go kiting today and I didn't exactly achieve too much. I'm here in my pyjamas, about to hit bed, and yeah, doing very little. Watched some TV, played some Xbox, and cleaned the entire house because it's been a little bit too long and everything was dusty even though it was all closed up. Tomorrow's going to be busy. I've got a bottle of Shiraz there that needs to be taken up to the Yarra Valley, to my father. Indian Shiraz, which I picked up in one of the northern Emirates of the UAE. Just a random bottle of wine that I can give to him as something different. So yeah, that's about it. I'll say goodnight. And oh, I did stuff the vlog up. There's extra clips at the end. They're from the Virgin Australia 737 flight, and yeah, my fault. I'll put them now. So see ya.